Hey planting peeps, welcome back to NichesPlants. Glad that you're here with me today. So we are going through the process of growing an Anthurium from chunk. I basically got an Anthurium chunk and it's a luxurians, and I just wanted to log the process of how I got it to activate its grow point and grow. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. I hope you enjoy and maybe you can do the same. Okay, so here we have a chunk. Look at it. I'm going to take it out just so we can see it. Okay, and this is an Anthurium luxurians chunk. So you can see we've got a growth point right there. And we've got, so there you can see it on that side there. We've got another growth point. Where is it? There. So I was thinking initially just to put it straight, and I'm going to chop that off. You can see there. We'll chop that a little. But this is what it looks like. So I'm thinking of putting this in. I was initially going to just put it in perlite and see how it goes and just do it that way. Moss could work when I've got other plants that are rehabbing a little bit, but they do have a stem and a leaf, then I just put them in moss because then it's all about the roots. But with this, we want to actually activate the growth point. So I think I might put it in perlite. Because that's a high level of airflow. You've got the moisture at the same time, and then put it under highlight, which I'm going to put on the top shelf of my greenhouse cabinet. So I think to start, I'm literally just going to put it straight in perlite, pretty much right to the top, but I'll show you how I'll do that. Okay, so we've got the Anthurium luxurians chunk in this bag. Been keeping it in here to keep it humid. Of course, this is the bag it came in. So you'll see, if we take it out, this is the chunk. Now, these roots did break, as you can see, they snapped, as did, there was another one. Look at that. So I'm gonna have to cut those off. I'm then going to place it in this pot, but with perlite, so I think it'll work better. Place it in like that, so it's gonna be like this. So I'll probably leave the chunk out. I'm thinking, I think that might be a growth point there. Can you think? I think there's a growth point. I think that might be a growth point also. So there's a growth point. I think that might be a growth point also. I'm not sure if we've got that. That could be either a growth point or start of a root. So potentially I think we've got at least two. Is that a growth point there? I'm not sure. Could be a growth point, could be a root, we'll see. But anyway, what I'm planning to do is this. That's firm, it's not soft, so it's not too bad. We're literally going to place it in here like that. I'm going to cover it until, I'm going to cover it to that point there. So get light across here and see if that does anything. But I need to cut off these bits here, and then we'll place it in the pot like that basically. And that will be a perlite, so we have water line up to here, which allow it to wick up through the rest. So let's get to it. These are our clippers. Sterilising them with vodka. I'm not going to show you what vodka because we're not, sponsoring here. So I'll just wet it, and then I'm literally just going to wipe the edge. And just make sure that's all covered and wet, as you can see. Okay, so time to cut. Take our chunk out and we'll look at these roots. And you can see that one is basically gone. That one's broken too. So I'm literally, and this one, all three of them. So I'm literally just going to take that there and cut it back to the base. Take that and cut it back to the base. Just like that, and hopefully they'll grow back. Not hopefully, they will. Then we've got, this is okay. It's a bit wet, it's got a bit of moisture in it. I'm gonna cut that back to there. This is got a bit of moisture on it. I'm gonna cut it back anyway. So see, look at that, it's rotten anyway. You see all that brown? I'm gonna have to chop this other root, I think. You know what, I'm just gonna chop it back. It's all going to grow again. Because I don't want any even there. Doesn't look good. I know I'm chopping it right back, but I want it to be clear. I don't want to see any brown, as I can see on that. I don't think any of it is good. See, look, it's all crap. Yeah, that's the closest. That's the cleanest we got. That's what I want, not that browny, greeny kind of colour. So that's going to have to grow back. This is okay. That's not got any water coming out of it. I'm just going to cut that off. This has got a bit of water, so we're going to cut it off because we don't want to risk further rot. There we go, it's a bit cleaner. That's what we want. Right, that's what we're left with. One root and a bit. So yeah, let's get the perlite going. Then we're gonna pour it through. Put the stuff like that. I think that works well. And fill it up. Okay. This is it, just like that, and the base of it comes to here just as it curves. So I'll fill up the water up to here, let it soak up, and then we're just going to leave that out a little bit so it's getting that light. I'm going to put it on the top shelf of my IK greenhouse cabinet so it's got the bright light. That root should come back and start moving towards the perlite for moisture. And then maybe in a few months we'll see what happens and I'll keep you updated. So let's water it. Can you see the water line? A little bit more. There we go. You might have seen that it was moving up, but literally, you might have seen that move up, but there we go. Greenhouse cabinet we go. Okay, so that is it. Potential growth point there. So that will get a good amount of light. that root can then start going towards the moisture, and you'll see, there you go, you can see where the water line is there, literally there, just at the base of it, so that will evaporate in the cabinet as well as wick up through the rest of the perlite. I'm literally, for now, just going to put it at the back. Well, actually no, I'm going to put it down here because it's slightly darker, just so it can kind of get somewhat used to the light, because obviously up there is a lot brighter than down there. So I'm going to leave it here for the night, and then I'll move up there tomorrow, put it at the back. Not that I know if chunks can get shock, but you know, I'm going to do it gradually anyway. Humidity is a bit different, humidity is higher up there. We'll then put it up there under the grow light and let it do its thing. This is the luxurians. I think it might pop and give me something, but I'm not 100% sure, because look, see that? I think it might. Oh, I'm not sure. Will it give me a leaf? We'll see. But yeah, this is what it's like at the moment. Hey, you planty peeps. So that is the process of growing a Anthurium chunk into an Anthurium plant. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, discovered something. And I must say, this leaf I'm absolutely in love with. It's a lot more embossed than I expected, but loving it still the same. Please do let me know if there are any other type of videos that you would like to see, because I'm conscious that I just want this channel just to be informative, interesting, fun for you guys. I want to give you information or insights to things that you're actually interested in. So if you do have any thoughts or ideas, do drop them in the comment box below. But for now, dare to dream, live to grow, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.